Today, I've been here with Valona and my Miss Gibson. Happy birthday. This the party starter over here. She go over there and set it off. And she gonna say what she won't say when she want to say it.
Hey, baby.
Yeah, so she ain't playing with him.
No.
Not at all. Not
It's
at all.
party time.
That's right.
I crash parties and everything in here.
Yeah, she just roll up in there. Up a room, she just roll up on them.
That's right. To take a picture with the birthday girl like I've been knowing her for years.
Yeah, like that. And so I just want to let y'all see what I see. I put in some time. My mom hung out with her,
Yeah.
you know, and went and got us I got them both some catfish today.
You ain't lying.
Yeah.
We was catfishing down. We still got some for tomorrow. We
Yeah.
and macaroni and cheese and hush puppies.
Oh yeah.
That hush puppy was big as my eyeball. I thought it was some shrimp. It was a hush puppy.
Yeah, I said there ain't no cookie, there ain't no wing. You was like, oh.
I thought that was a shrimp.
Yeah.
It was a hush puppy, big as my eyeball, like this here.
So we want to give a shout out to where we went to today. Captain D's.
Captain D's.
Yeah, shout out to Captain D's. They hooked it up.
Shot around the corner to Captain D's, and that was it.
Yeah, hooked it up. You okay today, Mom?
Yes, I'm okay.
She don't want to let him go.
Okay. I said I'm finna go. She all the fist up. No, you ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. Yes, she did.
Yes, they did. But I love both you young ladies, and y'all like the dynamic duo,
I
Laverne and
love-
Shirley up in here.
I love you.
Yeah.
That's what they call it, because we be in trouble together. But it don't be Pinky, it be my shit. She get me in trouble. She sit there and like she don't like something, and I'll be in the kitchen talking about, she don't want that. What's wrong with her? She can't talk. I said, yes, ma'am, but I kind of talk for. Well, you ain't got no business talking. Let her talk for her own self. We ain't getting her nothing till she talk. They get smart with me. I said, well, she don't like it. She don't want it.
You tell my mama if she don't speak me, she don't like you, so she's just gonna keep quiet. You the outspoken one, gonna be like, hey, what's going on?
No, when they come in here, it's some of the new age we get in here. I don't even know them. And they come in here and they'll say something to Pinky, and Pinky look at them like they crazy. And the girl say to me, she can't talk. I said, I don't know. And even the old one, the old lady, remember she said, you rude. She said, you rude over somebody. You don't never want to talk to nobody. Pinky don't talk to her. She don't answer, and she know her. Pinky won't answer her. I don't know why she don't answer her.
She got to warm up to her, I guess.
She don't want to be bothered with her.
Oh, okay.
And she said, why you so rude? How come you don't never, somebody talk to you, you don't never talk to them, and then I gotta hear her damn mouth when she changing me. She tell me, what's wrong with that girl? She's so rude. I said, I don't know, child. I don't want to hear that shit.
You see what I see.
That's right.
One day in a life out here in Fayetteville.
She do that and stuff, and they talk about them the two troublemakers. I said, I'm not the troublemaker. Pinky troublemaker.
Troublemaker 1, troublemaker 2. Right there.
Stop. I don't make no trouble.